Hello, students. We are now moving into Unit 2, Rate of Change. We're going to be talking about things like rate of change, slope, function, relation, terms and solutions, arithmetic sequences, range and domain, horizontal and vertical, and solution sets. So I know y'all did some of this in 6th, 7th grade. And now we're going to be going into it a little bit deeper. So the first thing I want to try is these problems here to see how much you still remember about rate of change and XY graphing and XY coordinates. So if you can do these 1 through 8 problems and bring them into class, and we'll start discussing these on Tuesday. So again, let's see how much you remember and how much you can fill out of this 1 through 8 to see where we're at. Y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday.